sweet. Come on, everybody, here we go. Sounds like candy corn. I'll have to clean all my carrots before I get any candy corn. I wish candy corn was a vegetable. This apple tastes just like apple strudel. Only without the strudel. Ha ha ha! I think I ate a watermelon seed. I hope I don't grow a big watermelon in my tummy. There's monkeys around. Which way to go? Fast food class or yummy dessert? Ooh, animal crackers. Ooh, I love animal crackers. I hope this box is not as empty as my stomach. You like hot little animal crackers? Come out, wherever you are. Oh, I just love sweets and sweets. They are my favorite things to eat. I'm so full I cannot move. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Now I'm going back for a second. Oh, my favorite. Candy corn. Oh, delicious. Oh. Carrots are orange, just like candy corn. Do you like carrots?